Hello, this is Laura with SkipperBud's in Marblehead, Ohio, and we are looking at a 2009 Bayliner 1802 walk-around. This is a cuddy cabin boat. It is stock number B21593. This boat is kept in our rack building. We just pulled it outside so we could do a video of the boat. You can see there's no bottom paint. And since 2007, it has been kept in our rack building. So it's never been kept in the water during that time. We can see we have rod holders. The two seats at the back can be removed. Our equipment at the front. It does have that nice little bimini above, so you have some coverage. It is powered with a Mercruiser 115. All the upholstery, there's no rips or tears. There's no real major blemishes or anything on this boat. It's been well taken care of. And when I look in the cabin, all the headliner, everything is really tight, and there's no signs of damage. Again, upholstery is in great shape. If you're looking for a small used boat and you want something that's been well taken care of, I think this would be a really good option to look at. If you want more information on this boat, please give us a call. We would be happy to show you this or help you out.